Hello everyone. So in this video I'll be explaining how to set up PX4, how to compile it, and add a custom message inside the MAVLink topic, and how to stream it to receive on the custom build QGC. Okay, in the last video we had a discussion and I had explained how to set up the custom QGC compilation, and then we actually built it, but we had not added any the custom message in QGC. But in the upcoming video I'll show you how exactly you can add the custom message on the QGC side and recompile it. In this video I'll be adding the custom message on the PX4, and the same message will be adding in the QGC and then recompiling, and then we'll see whether the message that we have added on the PX4 side is being streamed properly on the QGC side or not. Okay, so let's start. So this is the main PX4 page. Here on this page a lot of topics are there that you can read regarding how to use the PX4 firmware, what kind of airframes are there, how exactly you can set up hardware, and other kind of the airframes, and fly your vehicle. Okay, so all those things you can read here. Our main focus here is this development part, so we will be particularly focused on this section only. Okay, so because I'm using Ubuntu, I'll go inside the development and I'll select Ubuntu setup here, and here this command has been given. This is basic git clone command. You can clone the PX4 firmware from git. So I'll just copy it and I'll first download this, and then we'll start the process. Alright, so I'm already in this folder. I'll just copy paste this command, and it's cloning now. Okay, let it clone. Then once it is cloned properly with all the submodules and everything, we will have to run this script, which is inside the tools folder inside PX4 autopilot firmware. Once we'll run this, a lot of other libraries and related packages will install, which will help us compile the PX4 properly. I have already used PX4 many times on this system, so I might not see any kind of new installation, but when you are setting the PX4 for the first time, I would suggest you run this command and just wait to complete it. All right, okay, first let's wait and see whether the cloning is happening properly or not. Okay, so it's almost done, but after cloning this folder it will download some of the submodules, so we'll have to wait for those submodules as well. If you will go to this page on the git, let me open here. See, so on the git you'll see this PX4 autopilot page. This is the entire coding structure of the PX4. The entire firmware is here. Okay, The details of the same has been provided here. The release versions can be found here. Currently we are on the masters version. Okay, it has been presented here as a main version. Okay, the current stable version is 1.15.4. alright, but we'll be using the masters version, not the stable version. It's good to be on the master version because all kind of new updates are added in that. Okay, but if you are facing any issue and you're new, you can always go to the stable version as well. Alright, okay, so if I'm hoping that you are like quite familiar with the git and the basic commands of the git. Okay, so I will not go in the details of git, but if needed I'll probably make another video on that. Alright, so let's go back to the PX4 page and just wait for these submodules to be downloaded, and then we'll run this script. Alright, so finally the PX4 firmware and all the submodules have been cloned properly. Now let's just go inside the PX4 folder. Okay, and you can run this command from outside also, but if you are going inside that and running this command, you need to run bash. Because we're already inside the PX4 autopilot folder, we just need to call this directory tools and then setup and then ubuntu.sh. Let's run this. Let's enter your password and let's see if any kind of libraries are missing. Yeah, some libraries it is downloading. Let it install. Probably I earlier installed on the super user side, so that's why it is reinstalling other things on the normal user. Okay, let's just wait for that, let it complete. Alright, so all the libraries have been installed just by running this. It also installs the ARM toolchain, which you can see in this file here. Here is this section, Natux toolchain, ARM none EA BI GCC. So it installs all these dependencies to compile the PX4 properly. Alright, so everything has been installed now. Let's go back to the PX4 folder and try to run the command like make all and see if it is compiling properly or not. Let's wait for the compilation process to complete, and then we'll explore the entire PX4 autopilot firmware. Alright, okay, so let's wait to complete it. So far there are no errors. It's compiling quite smoothly. Okay, so that means all the libraries and packages or the tool chain or whatever was required to compile the PX4 is available in the system. Everything is fine. It has done the compilation. Alright, now let's try to run something in Gazebo. Just check. Let me just check the command on the page. Here it is, the main PX4 page. Let me just search PX4 Gazebo simulation. Okay, let's go to this page. I think we installed the Gazebo garden with the new latest version when we ran the script. So let me just check if it is there. ZZ is the command. Okay, so ZZ is there, that means the garden is there. Let's run any of the model which have been listed here. Okay, so let's go to this section and let's run this quad rotor model in Gazebo. Okay, so inside PX4 autopilot folder you just need to run this command and it will start the Gazebo simulation. And here it is. You can see the quad rotor has spawned, right? So finally we have everything set up in PX4 to compile it, to run Gazebo simulation and everything. Okay, right now if you want to take off, you can just give a command here. Let's say commander takeoff. Okay, but it's saying arming denied. This kind of error generally comes when you are not connected with the ground control station. So I'll just go to custom QGC. Okay, cd custom QGC and then QGroundControl inside that. Okay, then let's run build, then debug, then we have QGroundControl. This folder is actually giving us a custom built QGC, so I'll just run that. Once you'll run it, this will automatically connect as your simulation is running. Alright, and it will show that it is ready to take off. Okay, let me just keep it aside. Okay, and try to run the commander takeoff command and see your quad rotor will take off. Right, it's going up.
hold flight mode.
Alright, so now you can see the quad rotor flying here. Okay, now let's just land it.
Land flight mode.
Alright, it's landed, and
Disarm
we
hold
have
flight mode.
all the data here. If you'll go inside the analysis tool, the inspector, currently streamed topics are here. Okay, so you can see all the default topics here which are being streamed from PX4, and currently we have not added any custom message, but once we'll add the custom message, those messages or the message will be visible in this particular section, MAVLink inspector. Okay, so let's just focus on the adding of the custom message in the PX4 and QGC, and once that is done successfully, we will again come to this section and check whether we are able to get the correct message streamed here or not. Alright, so till then, enjoy, and I will meet you in the next video. Alright, bye bye.